secret garden.
I love that botanical garden. Wait till you see like the stepping stones.
Oh, look at the moss. What?
Is it?
Yeah, it looks like, it literally looks like a V.
It's pink, that's what I was thinking of.
This is Mana'o with Nohea. Testing out this new little segment. It's kind of like the more you know kind of segment, but this is Mana'o with Nohea, and I'm just gonna give you kind of like my opinion or my thoughts. The backstory of this whole pink ohi'alehua flower that me and Taryn were kind of like getting blown away. We never seen a pink ohi'alehua flower, and we were so amazed because they're normally red. We were just totally drawn by it, and we never seen a pink one before. So we were super excited. I took a bunch of pictures of it and I sent it to my brother, and I was like, hey, this is a pink ohi'alehua, right? He sends me back that it is not an actual ohi'alehua. It is an invasive species. So basically it's kind of a fake ohi'alehua. Ohi'alehua, they are mainly red. They're native to Hawaii, and they come also in yellow and orange and indeed in pink. But the way you can tell the difference is the leaves. So I'll put a screenshot of his text message. He told me look at the leaves basically, and the invasive species, they're smaller leaves. There are a bunch of them and they look like regular thin leaves. A real ohi'alehua, they are bigger leaves. They're a lot thicker. They almost look like that velvety look. So that's how you can tell if they are native or non-native. But yeah, wanted to share this little mana'o with you guys. Also, Hawaiian word of the day is mana'o. Mana'o means thought or an idea or suggestion. Also meaning, belief, opinion. It means a bunch of things. Maybe I'll put a screenshot of the entire description of what mana'o means, but yes. So that is my mana'o for today.
Wahi e panako, aina panako wahi Maka mole ole, ua a hilo hana kahi E kuli ke kākou, e kui kalo kahi Na kākou no kākou ke ia Ma ke ao ana mai a huli ka ia Pehea e ku ai me ka haa heo E ku paa maka na au, me paa i ka leo Nā mea iki aina mea nui He aloha aina o no ku la hui I loko o ka eha, I loko o ka nani Ma hope o ka aina, ma hope o lili ulani
E iho ana o luna E pi ana o lalo E hui ana na moku E ku ana ka paia e All Hawaii, stand together All Hawaiians, we here forever All Hawaii,
Hani o ka pai, aina o Hawai'i, mai ka ula I ka lai, ki ka mai e.
Aloha Mai Kākou. It is what is today? Keahi, which is Monday, and it is Ianuali Umi Kumaha, which is January 14th. And we are at the waterfall, obviously you can see. There's Rose. There's Taryn. I'm like, I don't feel like I'm in my body right now. Now leaving the waterfall. So beautiful. Misses. We're going on a puta hunt. Puta hunt. Puta hunt. Our view for lunch.
Yes, finally I have a speaker that works.
Oh, it works now? Oh,
Now.
lunch has it. Oh, your ass.
I know, I'm like today.
I'll get from that angle.
Can it see you too?
Yeah.
Oh, you should come sit over here. I'll trade spots with you.
You sure?
Oh, it's got a good view of her though.
Yeah.
You sure? Yeah. You're so cool.
pua o Hawai'i. Upa'a ma hope o ka aina.